Hey lads, TechScanning here. So the Vivo X90 series from the last year was quite an impressive handset for photography, especially the top of the line Vivo X90 Pro Plus. Now reportedly the tech giant is working on its successor series, the Vivo X100. Though we have received a number of leaks in the past including a render, I have a video on that. However, now we got a fresh render suggesting a slightly different design than the previous one. So the render came from a Vivo tipster named Fixed Focus Digital, and according to that, the Vivo X100 Pro Plus will feature a rectangular area on its back with the large circular camera module sitting slightly left on it. And just like the early render, the new design also revealed the Vivo X100 Pro Plus will sport 4 camera setup. The flashlight is located outside the circular camera module, and once again Vivo and Zeiss will be working together. Thankfully, the render also provides a glimpse of the front look of the handset, showing a curved display surrounded by slim bezels and a centered punch hole cutout. Now, if you are confused about which render is correct, considering the early render was from relatively unknown sources, the recent render could be how the Vivo X100 Pro Plus will look like. Anyway, I will keep you updated on this as soon as there will be any confirmation. Moving forward, the Vivo X100 Pro Plus is likely to bring some significant changes in the camera department. Like some early rumors claimed, its main camera will offer a variable aperture. Now the reputable tipster Digital Chat Station shared that the Vivo X100 Pro Plus will sport a new customized 200 megapixel periscope sensor from Samsung. Another source claimed that this new sensor will be based on the Samsung HP3 sensor and named HPV. It is expected to feature a generous 1/1.4-inch sensor size with a native 3 and 5x optical zoom. However, according to them, with the help of advanced algorithms, the sensor will allow an impressive 10x optical zoom. Now, this is not only an exciting upgrade over the last year's Vivo X90 Pro Plus, but it will be interesting to see how it will stand against the Samsung S23 Ultra's 10x optical zoom. Considering Vivo really made progress in recent years in photography, we could expect some impressive results. Anyway, Vivo is expected to launch X100 lineup in the 4th quarter of this year. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.